Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Facebook. Without further delay, let's get started. First, log on to your Facebook account. Click on the menu icon, the three horizontal lines at the upper right corner of your screen. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. Click on Password and Security. Scroll down. Click on Change Password. Now, you are required to input your old password as the current password and your new password. So, first type your old password, then type your new password, and click on Update Password. And in this way, you will change your Facebook password successfully. So friends, this is how to change your password on Facebook. If you found my tutorial helpful, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share with others. Thank you for watching.